Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll try to do the HDR plus extreme settings test on this Realme X1 Pro, which a lot of users are asking me to do this kind of test or review on this Realme X7 Pro, whether this phone will support or not. So let's see friends, in this complete tutorial, I'll try to demonstrate you whether this phone actually supports any kind of HDR plus extreme settings, and if it is supporting, you should know at what FPS you can actually play the game in this mobile phone. So before starting the video, let me also quickly show you the exactly what model I am using right now. As you can see, so 8 GB and Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So the reason why most of the users they are really concerned is because this Dimensity 1000 plus processor is kind of very new for most of the users. So definitely they are really concerned whether this processor is capable enough of supporting the PUBG at HDR and extreme settings or not, and if it is supporting, what is the FPS count they are getting when they are playing with the PUBG HDR and extreme settings. So right now let me try to quickly exit this match and show you the settings, so what is actually possible. And these are the settings which I am doing right now without using any kind of GFX tool. So first let me try without using any GFX tool, and then I'll try to use a GFX tool and I'll try to show to you. So first with the default settings, so as you can see friends, right now let me try to show you HDR. As you can see, there is no HDR plus ultra settings at the moment by default option, unfortunately, at the moment, as you can see clearly. But don't worry friends, in the future you will receive the update. The reason why I'm saying that kind of thing, because so right now I'm having the Realme X2 Pro device. As you can see, this is a Realme X2 Pro, so which has a Snapdragon 855 plus processor, and the phone has the HDR plus extreme settings support as well. So let me try to quickly show you. As you can see friends, so HDR plus extreme settings is possible in the Realme X2 Pro without using any GFX tool. Even the 90 FPS is also possible. So that was happened only after the update only. So before the update, even the Realme X2 Pro doesn't support 90 FPS or extreme settings. Same thing gonna happen for the Realme X1 Pro as well friends. So this is a very new mobile phone, and even the processor is also very new. So either the PUBG or the Realme, they should update this game so to make it compatible with the HDR plus extreme settings and playing the 90 FPS as well. So let me try to quickly start the gameplay and show you what happens if you play using this kind of HDR and ultra settings. Will you be able to get the 60 FPS or not? So let me try to zoom in a little bit to the FPS count area, so you can focus only on the FPS and CPU GPU utilization as well. As you can see how much they are utilizing at the moment. So it's not a high FPS I'm getting at the moment, 40 FPS only. So maybe if you use the GFX tool, you will be able to play at the HDR and extreme settings. But with this kind of default settings, you won't be able to play the HDR and extreme settings unless you get an update in this Realme X1 Pro. I'm not sure when that gonna happen, that kind of update, because the Realme X1 Pro should also receive the 90 FPS update as well from the PUBG. So still I haven't received the 90 FPS update in this phone. So but overall gameplay is very smooth right now with the HDR and extreme settings, so there is no issues. So now if I try to use a GFX tool, let me try to quickly close the PUBG game. I have closed the PUBG game, and let me try to open the GFX tool and try to select the settings of HDR and extreme settings. So as you can see friends, right now I'm playing the game after using the GFX tool, and let me try to quickly show you the graphics settings. So as you can see, with using the GFX tool, HDR and extreme settings, so as I said, these are HDR and extreme settings using the GFX tool. So let me try to run and show you the FPS count, how much I'm getting. As you can see, 60 FPS it's trying to reach 60 FPS, as you can clearly see friends. So this is with the HDR plus extreme settings only. So as I said, this is a question which was asked by one of the subscriber that is really cared about the HDR plus extreme settings, whether it's actually supported or not. So by default it's not supported. So if you use the GFX tool, then definitely it's supported, and even the FPS is also maintaining very consistent during this time, so there is no issues in terms of the FPS meter. But only thing is that you need to use the GFX tool to achieve this kind of performance, or you need to wait for a couple of updates to get this kind of fixed. So Right now at the moment you don't have that kind of option by default, HDR and extreme settings. So maybe in the future updates, the phone should be able to receive it, and the PUBG also should be able to update to that kind of settings. So let's see whether that will happen or not. But overall, the performance is pretty very good while playing the game, so there is no issues at all while playing the game. So 60 FPS is easily achievable with the HDR and extreme settings. As you can see, if you focus on my shadow, it's really good. It's reflecting exactly as it is, as you can see here clearly. So in some of the phones, if you're not using this, if you're using this kind of HDR and extreme settings, the reflections and they won't react properly. So, but overall, friends, the HDR and extreme settings is working fine with the 60 FPS, no issues. And in case if you're having any other doubts on this Realme X1 Pro, so feel free to comment below. And if you are having any other gaming in the mind as well, do comment below as well. I'll try to do a video on that gaming in this Realme X1 Pro. I'll try to test that game as well. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.